Hi, friends. I usually would say, let's draw, but this time I think my computer shut down or something happened where I couldn't save the sketch part of this. But, really makes me mad. I was like, man, so. But I do have the illustration or the illustrated part of it. So I'm going to show you guys that. This was a very fun project. A new client came to me and say, "Hey, we want a card with a kind of like a basketball theme, because mostly, because they have like a basketball court in their backyard, and so I was like, okay, cool. I was thinking of some ideas, so." So I pretty much put the basketball court in the background, put the family in the foreground, all of them kind of like with jerseys and so forth. Easy concept. At first I wanted to do something with like maybe some action poses, but I was like, well, that'd probably take away from, what I guess what they wanted, because in action I always like to do action something or whatever, but when you're doing a portrait, most of the people are kind of like standing still and kind of in that portrait kind of stance or whatever. So I just opted out and I was like, this probably be better, but I did give like a little movement with the wife, kind of shooting the ball, so I thought that would be kind of cute. So, but yeah, fun project. I hope to do more with some cool themes and whatever. And so you guys take a look at what I did. If you have any questions, feel free to throw it down in chat. But overall, fun project again. Can't wait to do more. I have some other little side projects I'm working on as well, like some NFT stuff, and I always wanted to do like a Tekken like kids version. I see like everybody doing like different ones. I saw like Street Fighter, but it's like, I've never seen like Tekken characters, so I think I'm gonna do like a whole kind of team of the major like kind of Tekken characters, and I don't know, maybe I'll sell it off as stickers or something like that or whatever. So yeah, just stay tuned. You'll see some cool stuff coming. So thanks again for watching. Thanks for my 20 plus subscribers on my YouTube channel. Thank you guys again. And that's it. Peace, guys.